Hey, it's me again. I'm back in my lovely house in France. The big plan at the moment for the next 1 or 2 weeks is to insulate the ceiling in my bedroom and the adjacent living room. I've got everything I need to do that. I've got the BA3, the drywall down here, and I've got the glass wool. I wanted to insulate with another eco-friendly material, but that's just too complicated, too expensive, and I leave that for my attic in a couple of years. So yeah, and then I need to insulate my bathroom as well. Can't wait to see a change in the interior, finally. There's a big change. There's the door here now that I installed last year, but I need to get the ceilings fixed. That will take a huge weight off my mind and off my floor as well. I managed to fix my door to the surrounding walls using 10cm screws, and it really is a stable construction now. I'm very happy with the outcome. The door doesn't swing to one side or the other, it really stays where I left it. And now I have to figure out what to do with the floor between the two rooms. So a friend of mine gave me those babies. My first drywall doesn't look too bad. I'm eager to get at least this wall finished. It's a heck of a job because the wall is like this and not straight at all. And then I still have to do my ceiling in this room and in the living room. Yeah, well. Does not look too bad after all. Took me a long time, most of the day, to put the vapor barrier onto the ceiling with some sticky tape. It's not complicated, but you should pay attention to detail because it costs a bit of money and you don't want any vapor to go through, any leaks up there. It's a lot of science going into that I don't understand, but I think I did a good job. Now it is 3 minutes to 7 p.m. France is still in lockdown and you're only allowed to go out until 7, so I have like 3 minutes to close everything and head home. I don't want to pay the 135 euros penalty if I get caught by the national police, and that's not going to happen, by the way. So yeah. Looking forward to put my drywall up there, most likely tomorrow, because I also have the other room to do in a couple of days, and the drywall to finish here as well. So far today, have a good night, happy lockdown, see you tomorrow, bye bye.